Hello, a happy new year to all of you. I wish all of you a wonderful, wonderful new year. Be safe and be happy. For a moment, let's sit back and look at the year that went by. 2021 was a bad year in a lot of ways. It was worse than 2020, which we thought we've got over the worst. Because this time, the pandemic came closer to home. It caused a lot of devastation. A lot of us were hit by the pandemic. Me and my entire family was laid out, and I know a lot of my friends and family members who were also laid out. We lost a lot of friends to the pandemic. It was a bad state of affairs. But touchwood, we all came out. But it taught us a lot of things. It completely reset the way we work and we do things. It reset the way we do business, the way we live, and the way we do things. But it has also pushed us to draw heavily on our innovativeness and emotional reserves. We learned three lessons in the year. We learned of adaptability, resilience, and gratitude. We also learned to be more agile, to look at problems not as problems but as opportunity. We got a lot of time, we got a lot of me time, which allowed us to think back what we can do with our lives. We got a much better mix of home life versus work life. We always had this problem of what is the right mix between home life and official life. And last year, thanks to COVID, we were able to do a lot of that management because all of us were working from home. Working from home also taught us a lot of other disciplines, how to work with the minimum availability. All of us worked from our houses and it had to do with much less than what we would have got had we worked from the office. But we continue to do a good job with good quality and meet customer requirements. That was the great thing that we learned, how to manage with less. We also learned that we can be happy with ourselves and there are a lot of ways we can do what we want to do. 2022, in a lot of ways, will be a much better year because we have learned from 20 and 21. We built a reserve and now we know how to go. Most of us have built a rhythm of working from home, so much so that today, if of the people working were given an option, would you like to work from home or would you like to work from office, they would prefer to work from home. So we have learned to work from home. This has also done one other thing to us. It has given us a lot of time to ourselves because we have cut down a whole lot of unnecessary work, travel, expenses. So we've got a lot of time and in some ways a lot of expenses available to do what we would like to do, but we could not do. Pick up new hobbies, read books, watch movies, watch cricket match, write, do whatever you wanted, paint. So a lot of things that you could do. In my case, I started this YouTube channel because I wanted to share my experiences. Sitting at home, I could not go and give lectures. So I said, sitting at home, I found this the best thing to do. And I'm so happy that I've been able to do that. The other thing we have to learn is now we are not in the rat race because we're not at work. We are working from home and we are now competing against ourselves. Every day we are competing with ourselves. We want to be today better than what we were yesterday. And the competition is only with yourself. You're not competing with your neighbors, with your colleagues, with your juniors, with your seniors. You're competing with yourself. So take this opportunity to enjoy, spend me time, become better people. But as I've been fond of saying, we cannot bring life to a grinding halt. Right? We cannot put life on hold because of a pandemic. So we need to now manage our life better, take reasonable precautions whenever we go out, things like keeping distance and having mask on all the time, washing hands, etc. And but enjoy life, do what you need to do, and treat each day as it's on its merit. Enjoy each day, enjoy your family, enjoy your work, and be very, very happy. Wish all of you a fantastic 2022, and we have a lot to make up for. And I believe that 2022 is the year in which we will make up all that we have not done in the 20 and 21. Thank you very much. Till we meet again, it's Veer Sagar saying all the best and Happy New Year. Bye.